Since it ain't serving, we'll do the other 45.
Okay. How maybe X then or something?
Of course, 45.
Okay, I've got a Glock 19 here, 4th generation. It is unloaded. I thought I would run some of the cheapest ammo I could find through it today and see if I couldn't get some type of failure, stovepipe, ejection issues, brass to the face, anything. I've got Tull ammo, which is that cheap steel case Russian stuff, and I got a couple boxes of the Winchester 115 grain value pack, generally considered some of the cheapest ammo out there. I want to put another 300 rounds through this gun today and see if I can't get it to fail or jam or do something it's not supposed to. See what happens. Okay, this is the ammo I'm going to be using. Tull, which is the cheap steel case Russian ammo, and then the Winchester 115 grain value packs. Again, some of the cheapest ammo on the market. I got both of these at Walmart, and let's see if the new Gen 4 can handle this cheap ammo like it's not supposed to.
Well, they ain't picking them up.
Okay, that's a problem.
I'll try the factory clip. Yeah, big difference. Yep. Yeah, Smith, like,
Yeah.
huh?
Tull ammo and Winchester, cheap stuff. Still works. Okay, well, just got back from a quick trip to the range with my Glock 19 Gen 4 and put 300 more rounds through it, so I'm at about 1,300 rounds, and today I used the absolute cheapest ammo I could find. Make a long story short, it performed flawlessly. No issues whatsoever, and actually semi-decent accuracy with both the Tull and the Winchester value pack. So far I've been really happy with this gun. Like I said, this is my first Glock, so I'm not some, lifelong Glock owner. I decided to get one, and so far I've been really happy with it.